Hi guys, thanks for the time you've given to me, dear Ms. Roslina Mata and our friend, in this video presentation about GAAP and ASB.
I will discuss General Accounting Principle GAAP. General Accounting Principle GAAP are a set of generally recognized rules and procedures designed to govern the accounting and financial reporting of companies in the United States. GAAP is a comprehensive set of accounting practices developed jointly by the Financial Accounting Standard Board, or FASB, and the Government Accounting Standard Board, or GASB. So, it is also applicable the government and non-profit accounting. General Accounting Principle, Core Principle. General accounting principle is only in 10 main principles as follow: consistency principle, principle of paramount methods, non-comparison principle, paradoxically principle, principle of regularity, the principle of synergy, principle of God five, principle of materiality, continuity principle, and periodicity principle. Effective of generality accounting principle. Number one, consistency in the use, considering that GAAP has been around for a long time. Many business and professionality in the us are already familiar with. Number two, detailed rules. GAAP often period detailed instructions and evidently, which can be useful for complex scenario. This affects general active accounting principle. Number one, lack of global uniformity. Number two, complexity.
Next, I will discuss International Accounting Standard Board (IASB), the IFRS standard or International Financial Reporting Standard, were put in place in 2005. They thus places the IAS standard, International Accounting Standard, will have excited signed 1923. These accounting standards were prepared by the International Accounting Standard. Offered in both cases, the standard aimed to establish a harmonious accounting model in order to pass international trade. These plus are as follows: the basis set approach or priority of the blessed sweep over the income statement, the treatment of surprise of overflow, the regulation of naturally, the priority given to the investor fiction, the important place given to interpretation, the procedure from aspects of international accounting standard, the transition to IFRS standard has many advantages. This is a globally harmonious system, easy comparison of company rank, great transparency of information, and better communication. Disadvantage of International Accounting Standard. Disadvantage of IFRS equal a lot of detail, significant adoption cost, and the perception that IFRS is a lifetime standard that what is already in place in some countries. Look of detail, significant adoption cost, and capital market and the standard are not the same in different countries.
Similarities and differences between GAAP and ISB. Similarities between GAAP and ISB. The overall accounting and finance framework has similar structure to GAAP and ISB. It includes the object, elements, and characteristics of accounting. Both standards use cost, flow statement, balance sheet, and income statements. Over smaller guidance, forward organization, handle costs, and cash equivalence. The preparation of their financial statements follows the same best approach, and both can reckon revenue when it is released. Difference between GAAP and ISB. The study explored and difference in between earnings reported under US GAAP and ISB standards. Predictive ability. US GAAP earnings have significantly predictive ability compared to ISB earnings even after control from characteristic. US GAAP and ISB opinions perform equine did not differ significantly between and two standards, suggesting investors do not value the accounting difference. Accrued quality. No significant differences were found in the accrual quality of earnings between US GAAP and ISB. We find that US GAAP and ISB differ only in terms of predictive ability.
Next, I will discuss about rules as an accountant. Ethics is one of the core elements of a profession, which is the basis for accountants to carry out their professional activities. Accountants play an important role in improving the transparency and quality of financial information. This aims to create a healthy and efficient economy. Apart from that, public accountants are also obligated to comply with this professional code of the ethics. In carrying out their work, accounting professional ethics is a science that studies the good and bad behavior of an accountant. The rules of ethical behavior for the accountant professional that you need to know in fulfilling your professional responsibilities are summarized in the Code of Ethics of Indonesian Accounting Association (IAI), and you really need to pay attention to the ethics of the accounting profession, so that you avoid unwanted things. For example, a small error in financial reporting can have fatal consequences such as loss of fruit and the emergency of suspicion of manipulation of the company and the image of the profession. 3 basic rules. Number 1, debiting receiver, crediting receiver, and debiting something in, crediting something out. And number 3, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and profit.
Accounting regulation in part of the world. Meanwhile, Christopher Nobles and Robert Parker explained that there are 7 factors that cause important difference on an international scale in the development of accounting system and practice. The factors include legal system. Company regulation, including accounting system and producer, are greatly influenced by the legal system in force in a country. Next, fund onward. Based on primer search, companies can be grouped into two. Next, the influence of the tax system. The extent to which the tax system can influence the accounting system is to see the extent to which tax regulation determine accounting measurements. Next, stability of the accounting profession. The bodies that are formed as professional firms are different in each country, and the resultant in the form of result or standard are influenced by the firms. Next, inflation. In countries with inflation rates reaching hundreds of percent every year, there is a need to enlist financial reforms more precisely. Next, accounting theory. Accounting theory greatly influences the implementation of accounting practice in various countries with several different theories. Next, ideas of history. Accounting system and practice cannot be separate from politics and economy condition in of country concurrent. Chain events usually have an immediate influence on the application of certain methods.